What excites me most about this project was that we were able to really deepen the collaborative culture of DPR. One side of the building is most of their meeting spaces, while the other is more of their open office space and collaborative areas. We were really interested in emphasizing the industrial aesthetic, and we thought that married very well with the client and their brand, but also sustainability being at the forefront of how we design the space.
You have multiple MetroWall systems here, so you get the experience of the LP system, of the Vetro system, of the Extend system.
Working with MetroWall is consistently a positive experience. Ware Macolmb really enjoys working with MetroWall. We really use them as a basis of design on a lot of our projects. They really understand how to work with us as well. They understand the function and form of the space, but also keep in tune the design aesthetics that we're looking for. As early on in the project as we can, we try to bring in MetroWall as our partner.
One of the things that I love about MetroWall and how it aligns with me as a project manager and now director of project management is that we provide solutions. We don't back away from challenges. Clients come to us with a design that they want to achieve or a vision that they want us to execute on, and we make it happen.
And I think this really is pushing the envelope for what a corporate environment is. It allows a lot of people to be interested to come back into the workplace because of all these social environments and the ability to collaborate.